Power Shot, I do eat there. It's a quick little pause right here, dropping off. First load drop off South Carolina. Next load drop off in Orlando. Then I'm gonna spin right back around and come right back up. People, what it is, your boy Orlando. I am the man. Oh, so update. So, okay, I left my house Wednesday. Got a load to Mississippi. Going to Kentucky. I'm in Kentucky right now. So today's Sunday. I've been here since Friday. So pretty much what I'm about to do, I'm heading to the gym right now. I'm about to go get it in. I'm gonna get a little workout in. My boy put me on an app, man. Like, it's not an app, it's a program. It's what is it? It's a program, whatever it is. So what it is, you pretty much can go to any gym you want to around the country. Not any gym, a selected gym, but any city or state you in, they have gyms there close by. So I just joined it. I'm about to go pop in the gym, man. You know, in order for you to get it, get on this app or with these people, you gotta have certain things. You know, like my boy Job put them on. You know what I mean? Me, my insurance put me on. My insurance is one of the benefits. So I got this. I signed up. Now I'm about to go to the gym. The gym is where I also shower today. I've been sleeping in the truck. The gym is where I shower. So that's you don't have no excuse now. You gotta go to the gym, Orlando. So hey, work out, then shower. That's what I'm about to do. Then after that, eat some food. After that, I got a big meet, y'all. Big moves actually. So I might screen record it or something. So yeah, camera cut off on me. I don't know what just happened, but pretty much what I'm saying, like I'm having a big meet. It can make some big moves. There's gonna be some big moves gonna be made with me. It has a lot to do with trucking. So network. Oh shit, guys! Shout out to the guys. I don't know if they want to be introduced to you guys yet. So that's where we at with that. Shout out to them. Oh yeah, shout out to Martell too. Martell put me on his app. You know what I mean? My guy right there. That's it, man. I'm about to get a little workout in, man. I'll follow me. Barbershop and truck stop. Okay. Place number one. Well, since I'm stuck in Kentucky for the weekend, I would get some work done. So here I am, y'all. I'm getting 2 extra key made for my truck. Just in case I lose one, I can find another one. And that's smart. Is that smart? I think it is.
Hey. Chris Brown in the place. State Farm. Chris Brown.
Well, after a good workout, you know I had to go find me something to eat. I'm at this all-you-can-eat joint, about to go eat up and fill my belly, man. Hey, check out these cornfish, man. They're beautiful. Man. Thanks again for watching, y'all. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though.